How's it going, everybody? Something I really wanted to share that I've learned within my recent studies of my book, but also within the different teachings of my many mentors and um, just my overall pursuit of knowledge and wisdom. You know, the elements earth, wind, fire, and water. People talk about them so much. So obviously there is a very big importance to them. A lot of people sleep on it though. You never understand why, people talk about the elements so much. And if you think about it, we can use the elements within our life. I mean, think for example, fire. Fire burns within us all. And whenever we do things that, you know, whenever we do things that feed our passions, such as like doing our passions, whatever talent that may be, obsession you may have, and of course if it's positive, you make your fire in yourself grow. And it grows beyond limits, and it attracts different people. It attracts the things that you want in this life. I was taught this by an old Findon. I do not know his name, but I do not want to know his name. But I will tell you this: he is a elder Ufindan that has helped me along my way. And yeah, and then you have water. Water is a very top, kind of like a very bipolar element. If you think about it, sometimes it can be raging, sometimes it can be very calm and soothing. It's a very feminine element. How fire um, can be very masculine, and then water can be very feminine. Um, a lot of people have, water within them. A lot of women tend to be very fluid, very flexible. They move a lot, these different things. Water can teach you to be very peaceful, to be fluid, to be mobile, not to sit there and just stay still. I mean, at some point in our life, we need the aggression of the fire, and we need the fluid and mobility of the water. And then we come to the earth. The earth, oh man. I mean, if you think about it, the term grounded, whenever we use the term grounded, we are basically trying to be rooted into the earth. Whenever you ground yourself and you root to yourself, you're attaching yourself to the world. You're attaching yourself to what you used to be. And it's making you stand firm. It's making you stand tall, and you're unmovable. And it can also clear your mind. Just many different things. And then we come to wind or air. Air, is like creativity, or imagination. It's just like you never know with air. If you think about it, we could be very air can teach us to be very evasive, to be very unpredictable. Like a lot of times, people will say, "Hey, don't show people what you're doing. Be unpredictable. Be silent. Be calm. Be peaceful," or something like that. Don't let your progress show. Be evasive about it. Be unpredictable, because then people can't stop you. Be like air. You can't see it, and sometimes it blows in a direction that you would never think it would blow in, when it was just blowing in another certain direction. I know I'm kind of rambling or whatever, but I just thought I would talk about this because it's really been on my mind a lot today. A lot of things have happened today, and I've come to a big realization within my journey that, certain things shouldn't be in my life, like Facebook, Instagram, um, negative people, or whatever. I've studied in my book, you know, about what Sun Tzu would say. He would use the elements a lot within his teachings. So, basically, this video I'm trying to say is be aggressive as fire. Be relentless. Be ruthless. In this life, people are going to try to push you over. People are going to try to get you so hemmed up in some bullshit. You will never, ever, ever get anywhere if you just let them run over you. Be aggressive like fire. Then you have water. Sometimes in your life you need to be peaceful. Sometimes in your life you need to be fluid, be mobile. Don't just be stuck within stiffness, Move around. Be fluid, just within anything you do. Like water. Be like water. And then earth. Stay grounded. Don't be easily moved. Be the person that everybody looks to whenever the chaos is occurring. A man who is not easily moved is a great leader. Or a woman who is not easily moved is a great leader as well. Then, air. Be silent like air. Be unpredictable like air. You never know which direction the wind might blow. It may blow north, it may blow south, it may blow east, it may blow west. You never know, and it happens just suddenly. So, aggressiveness in your way or on your journey, fluid in mobility, grounded and rooted, evasive, unpredictable, and unseen. I know a lot of this shit that I was just saying probably didn't really make sense to a lot of people, but then again, anything that I come up with, it's just like what is just on my heart at that moment, what's on my mind. So, yes, forgive me if this is a bit of a ramble, but maybe somebody adheres to what I'm saying. I hope you guys have a great night. I am about to go to bed and start my day. Helsa, may the gods be with you.